What is the important point? Let us again rearrange our lifestyle. Try to think again. What is aim of all human beings? In all over the world, in this universe, you will find many creations, but we are also one of them. This creation is unique. Try to observe eyes and ears, nose and teeth, legs and arms, above his head, below his spine. This special structure is designed to experience liberty, freedom, complete freedom. What is the meaning of freedom? I want to enjoy freedom. Whatever I want, I should do it. I want to create solar system. I want to create plants and animals. I want to create body like this. I want to make body younger to this and older to this. All are possible for us if we decide firmly to practice Kriya Yoga meditation with all devotion. Then how to practice it? We need some inspiration. We want to know about Ram, about Krishna, about Jesus, about Buddha, about many other like that. Then we are reading textbook, Bible, Ramayana, Ramcharitmanas, Mahabharata, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, teaching of Kabir, teaching of Nanak Dev Ji, Buddha, Mahavir Swami. Through the teaching, through the reading, we are trying to know. But there is no proof that writing is perfect. We want proof. Let us try to think of Tulsidas Ji. He has written Ramcharitmanas, wonderful scripture. The poetry of Ramcharitmanas is so deep. The moment I read one line, when I go into that, I find ocean of knowledge within each line. Now you can think that this much thick text, how many lines are there, how many words are there, countless. Try to go deep into any word, any line, you will find ocean of knowledge. The same Tulsidas clearly explains, declares that I am incapable of narrating the story of Ram. I cannot write glory of Ram. But whatever devotion I have, I can say like this. If I have not slept many days in a row, if I am having time to enter into sleep, the joy what I have, devotion in deep sleep what I have, you can multiply 1,000 times more. This much love I have for Ram. If I am thirsty from many days, if I get water to drink, what joy I feel. Million times more joy I feel when I think of Ram. This much I can say. Try to observe all sense pleasure of the best quality. Multiply that million times. That much joy I have when I think about Ram. You see, Tulsidas Ji clearly explains he is not able to write about Ram. But we want authentic scripture so that I can believe. I want to know the example of masters who has demonstrated nothing is impossible. Yes, we have it. We have scripture now. This is an autobiography of Yogi. This is the latest and the best scripture for us. In this Lahiri Mahasaya is there. Try to think of Lahiri Mahasaya. He attained the height, supreme height of self-realization. That height is so great, he was able to revive dead Ram. Ram was dead. He died of Asiatic cholera. Body became rigid. He left body before noon. The next day afternoon, Lahiri Mahasaya from distant made him alive. After many hours death, when Lahiri Mahasaya gave instructions intuitively. Ram, come with the Ikteshwar and meet me. He walked. This is the highest example of his spirituality. Freedom from death, that freedom we want. In this it is written, and this is truth. Not only that, many things are written in that. But each of us is having one great desire. What great desire we have? That we want to realize ultimate truth very quickly. Every day we practice with all devotion and we want to realize the truth. How to realize truth? We want to experience samadhi. Okay, this is not the mistake. This is everybody does that. Paramahansa Yogananda, he was born for one cause, to spread Kriya meditation in the West. From his childhood he was having one aim, God, 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 nothing else. When he met his master Swami Yukteswar Giri, who is also my guru, and he promised, and he said, Master, my life is dedicated for you. Whatever you will say, I will do it. I will think and I will accept that this is the law. But he decided to leave Yukteswar Giri because he thought he has too much work, cleaning the house, cooking the food, cleaning the utensils, going to the school, coming from there, day and night, outward activities. There is no time for deep meditation. Therefore, I want to go Himalaya. I will practice their deep meditation, many hours in a row, then I will enjoy presence of God. Then Yukteswar Giri said, you cannot find knowledge. Mountain cannot give you knowledge. Forest cannot give you knowledge. Only realized master can charge you with the real knowledge. But he ignored. He left. But he was having fear that in childhood, in his student life when he was very young, he decided to go Himalaya, but he couldn't go. This time he thought some mishappening may come. Therefore let us take blessing of sleepless saint. Then he reached the place of Ram Gopal Babuji and he requested for samadhi, that please bless me with the samadhi. He was telling to Ram Gopal Babuji, sleepless saint, Sir, why don't you grant me a samadhi? Then what he was telling, sleepless saint Ram Gopal Babu, dear one, I would be glad to convey the divine contact, but it is not my place to do so. The saint looked at me with the half-closed eyes. Your master will bestow that experience on you shortly. Your body is not turned just yet, as a small lamp bulb would be shattered by excessive electrical voltage. So your nerves are unready for the cosmic current. If I gave you the infinite ecstasy right now, you would burn as though every cell were on fire. Therefore try to remember this. Paramahansa Yogananda was blessed by Mahatar Babaji. He was himself incarnation of Jesus and Krishna. Still he needs 23 years. He experienced Samadhi 1916. He was born 1893. How many years it took? 23 years. And you want everything in 1 year? It means you are not interested in the subject. Therefore let us follow the advice of Lahiri Mahasaya. Banat banat banjai. Practice again and again, again and again. Then you will reach to your aim to realize complete freedom. Then you can create a universe. You can create solar system. You can create plants and animal. You can create your body. You can create your younger body. You can create your older body. Nothing will be impossible for us if you believe Banat Banat Banjai. If you have eternal patience, remember Karmadhyavadhikaraste Mam Faresh Kadacham. Never try to seek the fruit of action. Just practice, unceasing practice, every day with the great joy. Then you will find ultimate achievement will be there. Let us practice very slowly. I do not have interest. But criticize no one. Worship all person. Worship all creation. Your body will stay 400, 500 years. Moment you criticize anyone, life span of body will reduce. Decide to criticize no one, to hate no one, to accept each and every creation manifestation of God and follow the correct truth and non-violence on the platform of eating, observation with the senses, and don't practice Kriya Yoga. Your body will stay 400, 500 years. Automatically Kriya Yoga practice will start as automatic process and you will hold your body for 500 years. Till that you will attain freedom. But it is difficult not to criticize anyone. It is difficult to worship all. It is difficult to have no complaint. Then we need Kriya Yoga meditation. Practice Kriya Yoga meditation sincerely with all devotion. Then in one lifetime we will achieve ultimate aim, freedom.